YouTube in the building. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a great one. You most likely looked up how to grow your YouTube channel, which we'll be going over in a few seconds, but I just want to let you guys know that you're in the right place. And wait till the end of the video to find out the best secret that will help you grow your YouTube channel. My name is Ricardo Rodriguez and welcome to Too Great. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, most definitely subscribe to Too Great. If you want to learn how to make money with YouTube without even showing your face in your videos, check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, linked in the description below. Tip number one, don't compare yourself. When you compare yourself to the bigger channels, you are literally sucking out your energy like a vacuum. You're literally sucking out your energy, you know, that motivation, that passion, that fire within yourself. You're sucking it out, you're transforming it into hate, and now you're resenting the bigger channels. Why? Because you want what the bigger channels have. Most definitely the bigger channels have more views, more subscribers, you know, more engagement. Not only did you have this passion, but now it has turned into a negative energy where you feel discouraged, you feel envy because you want what that bigger channel has. And guys, do not put yourself in that lane. We're all in different lanes in this game we call YouTube, and the bigger channels have already been producing content well over 6 months, a year, and 2+ years, right? You don't know how those people were feeling when they first started out. They were probably in similar shoes that you were. So there's no reason to hate. What you should be doing is keep a positive mentality and use these bigger channels as inspiration, right? Look at their views. You can be achieving those views just as well as them, or even surpass them, right? So it's all about just making that content, use them as inspiration. You can even use them for your own video ideas, right? Take the concept that they're going over, you know, put it into your own words, give it your own flair, show your personality within that video, and people will see that you are being yourself. They would appreciate it, and they're gonna engage with you. All right, as long as you know, you're touching into the people's lives, you're giving them value, and you make it entertaining, people will support you. So don't get caught up in different lanes, and do not compare yourself, guys. Comment down below what YouTube channels that you guys look up to. Tip number two, guys, you have to learn how to be patient, right? YouTube is a long-term game. So if you expect to make videos, or you know, your vlogs, or you know, just produce some type of content for a week or 2 weeks and expect success already, you're wrong. YouTube might not be for you. But if you have a genuine passion for, you know, creating content, making videos, helping others, or making others laugh, and you're willing to put in that time, those hours, you know, playing around with the different setups and different things you can do on this platform, and this is for you. But you also have to learn, you got to be patient, especially when you're starting out. You know, your first few videos are only gonna get like 10 views, 20 views, 100 views maybe. But as time progresses and YouTube plays around with the algorithm, you know, suggesting your videos to other viewers, you know, through the suggested feed, or just playing around with different audiences, you know, that's experimenting time for YouTube. They're gonna see if people actually enjoy your content. But if they only one video goes wrong, and you know, that stunts your growth and you get discouraged, you're selling yourself short. So you really need to just put yourself out there, keep creating content, and take it day by day, week by week, most definitely video by video. And as long as your videos keep piling up, you know, first you have your first 5, 10, 20, 50, then you will grow, because you know, YouTube is testing out with different audiences. You might get higher click-through rates, higher impressions, and higher retention time, as long as people are engaging with your videos. And little by little you will grow. You want to make your videos better if you have a genuine interest in it. Remember, YouTube is a marathon, it is not a sprint. So it's all about who can stay in the game the longest, who can produce the content, you know, day after day, week after week, month after month. Whether that's producing one video a week, you're still putting yourself out there, you're still being consistent. And it's just all about how long can you stay in the game, right? Because there's people who are gonna put themselves out there for a month and they're gonna call it quits. And if you've been uploading videos for, you know, 2 months up to a year, and you've been consistent, YouTube will recognize that. They're more likely to suggest your videos out to different audiences, and your channel will grow with time. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content so far. And if you made it up to this point in the video, I'm gonna share with you the third tip, but it's really a small secret that will help you grow your YouTube channel. And it's just all about your attitude, guys. Appreciate the little wins in this game. You know, it's a long journey. YouTube is the journey that could take up to a year, you know, a year plus, right? So if you could learn to appreciate the little wins, whether that's, you gained 1,000 views extra on your videos, or you just gained 5 new subscribers that week, those are the little wins that you should appreciate. And literally, that's like fuel for your fire. That's your passion. So as long as you're appreciating that little support, little by little, that people are showing you love, that should ignite a fire inside you to keep going, keep pushing. That's YouTube rewarding you for your success, for your small progression. As long as you're producing great content, getting better every time, there is a community out there that will support you. Think about it like this: when we were younger as kids, or even if you still are a kid, you know how amazing it felt when you had that sticker on a test or on some homework that you did really well on. That's that little win. You felt accomplished. You felt a sense of you did something right? And that little sticker was the little win. You hang it up on the fridge and you just made yourself proud. You made your family proud. That's the little wins that you should be taking initiative on to fuel you in this YouTube game, because it is a long journey and you are gonna need that extra, kick to keep pushing and keep prevailing to grow your YouTube channel. Watch this video right here for more secrets and part 3 of the secret playlist. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're enjoying the content, and I'm gonna keep producing videos just like this. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, linked in the description below, if you wanna learn how to make money with YouTube. You don't even have to show your face in the videos. That's all I have for you guys today. Peace.